Right, so a bit about me. My name's Stephen Kelly. Today what we're going to be doing is a bit of survival training, going on a bit of adventure. What we normally go through is priorities, protection, location, water, food. So I'm going to be teaching the boys today how to survive off the land, make shelter, catch some food, find some water and get from A to B without getting lost. So there's a few priorities we teach people to survive, and the first priority is protection. That's protection to yourself. So imagine now you're in a survival situation, you've had a car crash in the middle of the desert, or you've run out of fuel, you've got no water, you need to find protection because the heat's on you, so you can use your car straight away for protection. You've come down in a helicopter, the helicopter's about to blow up, protections yourself, you want to move away from it or you're going to die. And so your clothing is your first line of defence. So there's a mnemonic we teach when we're doing survival, is a mnemonic called colder. So when you're in a survival situation, you want to keep your clothes as clean as possible. So every time you take a knee or you're in the mud, you want to get up and you wipe it off. Why do you think we want to keep our clothes clean?
If you're keeping it clean, it's better protection and less likely for harmful stuff as well.
Yeah, exactly that. If you've got cuts in you, you're gonna, if they're dirty all the time, you're gonna start getting infection. Obviously you today, you ain't got like a tent with you, you ain't got a parachute to put over you, you're going to be building a shelter in the area in a minute. We're going to put all three poles all the way down like that, then we're going to get bendy ones, and then we're going to weave in and out so it's all a solid frame.
Right.
Then when that's all done, we're going to get all greenery and we're going to thatch it, and what it does, that keeps the heat in there.
Okay.
Are you ready for the challenge?
Yes, I am. We've already built the foundation now with the logs, so just to make it more stable, and now we just added all the leaves onto it. It's like a bit of the roof, it's a bit of protection from the rain, so it's looking good so far.
We built our shelter, we're all nice and cosy now in our shelter. And what we're missing on our shelter is protection from animals, and what keeps them away is fire. After a few days being camping, you normally find a bit of fluff in your belly button. Alright, you can get all stuff like that, you can shave your clothes with bits of stuff like this. You can get bits of moss off trees, dry it all out, dry grass, and this is what you're going to use as the tinder. So when you're lighting your fire, you need tinder, kindling and fuel. We could use this fur to make gloves out of it. When I train all my soldiers, all the commandos, I make them make hats and gloves out of it because they're out for like a week and they dry it out. The same with your bedding as well. Make it dry it all out in the sun, and that could be your bedding as well in a shelter. But yeah, you can get water out of this. It tastes a bit glassy, a bit dirty.
Yeah, drinkable though.
Yeah,
water drinkable. Yeah.
So do you know where I talked about dry grass to light a fire? If I was on the run now, I'm moving. That's the stuff I collect. Put it in these pockets because this is your fires with water, heat everything up, and if you get a spark on something, that'll light up.